We're getting ready to clean the top of the bus off and paint it. Don's been looking at the weather. It's pretty cold right now and pretty soon it's gonna be freezing. We need to do it now when we can clean it, it can dry, and we can paint it with
Henry's Tropicool. It's a silicone-based paint. It's very good for reflecting sun.
So we got all dressed up in our warm, waterproof clothing because we're about to get wet too and it's pretty cold outside.
And now a new segment we're calling Gear Talk. Today we're going to be using the Ryobi GC160 Honda Power Washer, 2800 PSI. The reason we're using this one today? Because we borrowed it from my cousin Corey for free.
And we figured, seeing as we had it, we should just clean the sides off too because it's getting pretty dirty just sitting here. Like, there's a lot of, you know, dirt and muck, and hopefully all the spiders and mice got out from underneath there before we drowned them. Got stuff in my eyes. That side is super dirty, like the side that's up against the woods and the plants and stuff. It's filthy.
My only real concern is not falling off the bus today. But before we get started, here's a random fact about me. I've had over 86 jobs. If I can remember them all, I'll run them on the screen right now. There they are.
It was important to clean the roof thoroughly before we paint it, so the silicone paint will bond to the roof and seal up any slight leaks. We have two emergency exits in the bus, which you've seen us open to vent. Power spray was on top of them. I thought, oh, I better go check inside and see if it is leaking through it all. It's not bad, but a little bit of water did come through the emergency hatch. When it rains, it's normally fine, but the force of this cleaner is, there's some drops coming through, so I'm just gonna wipe it up on this side, and then I put a towel down underneath the one at the back because we do have the wood floors down there. And cleaning up the top, baby. Good job for not falling off the roof.
That we will celebrate.
I didn't really want to go up there when it was wet. I thought I was going to fall off and die, so.
Yeah.
So Don always takes those roles.
I take the fall off and die. One of the reasons we wanted to get to this right now is because looking at the forecasts, we wanted to go ahead and paint while it's still above freezing for a full 48 hours, just to be on the safe side. We got about half of the bus ready to go.
And then Don says, it sure feels like it's gonna rain today. And about 5 minutes later, it started to rain.
And it got windy and blew some of the Viz Queen we had up against the windows off. And so the tape was flying off. Melly got up there and
had to pull them down again. The wind was just, obviously it's not gonna even hold tonight. Even if we put it up tonight, it wouldn't hold. The wind would blow it down, so.
We have a lot of drama with dishwashers and weather. The important thing is we've got to paint when it's preferably above 35 degrees for an extended amount of time and there's no moisture.
With a couple of days of rain in the forecast, we thought it was a good time to take a day away from bus work. Hi.
How you doing, donkey? Living in California for the last 20 years, we've missed experiencing fall colors.
We made a trip to Brown County State Park, one of the top places to see the fall foliage in the Midwest.
Ready to hike up the tower?
Yeah, I'm not sure we'll see anything, but let's do it. Up close, it's very, very pretty and very, very peaceful. And it's kind of nice because the park's pretty quiet.
We caught a small break in the rain and found a beautiful lake. And we're the only ones here.
We got it all to ourselves.
We saw there was RV camping in the park and we'll definitely want to stay there once the bus is finished.
We actually kind of lucked out. I have a feeling that if it had been the weekend and there was no rain, it would have been packed.
It was kind of a reminder. Things aren't going to be perfect. Today, life gave us rain, so we wore our rain boots and everything turned out really nice. We had a wonderful time.
Back on the bus, we had a sunny day and put up our protective plastic cover. Taped off the marker lights, and we're ready to paint.
Turned out we painted the roof just in time, because it was pretty frosty the next day.
It's freezing. I don't think I've ever been in anything this cold and it's fall. With the roof painted and sealed and our floors down, it's time to make decisions on our floor plan.
So we decided to revisit our bookmarks and saved pins of other people's conversions.
We have focused in on 8 bus conversions that are inspiring our design, but we'll share that with you next time.